How to send wallet to wallet in CashChat Bank. This is how you send money from your wallet to another CashChat user's wallet. You log into your CashChat Bank account either via Boldcashers app on Play Store or CashChat Bank app on Play Store. You can also log in via cashchatapp.com or bcbank.se. So this is how you send money from your wallet to another CashChat user's wallet. Log into your account, go and click on that blue circle with the word wallet in the middle. They are going to ask you to type the word start to continue. So type the word start at the bottom of the page and click send. They are going to bring you two options. Option 1 says my wallet and option 2 says stock investment. You're going to type 1, my wallet, and click send. Now they are going to give you the menu. Now on the menu has 10 options which are visible. So you are going to first type option 8, which says request PIN. So you start the process by requesting a wallet PIN. That PIN is going to be sent to the email that you used when you are creating your account. So once you've received your email, which is valid for just 10 minutes, you are going to type the word start again and you click send. Okay, and then you type 1 and you click send. Now, you are going to type option 5 on the menu, which says wallet to wallet. And they are going to ask you to select the currency. So if you're sending the person UGX, you are going to select up to type 1. If you're sending the person Kenyan shillings, you're going to type option 2, just type 2. If you're sending that person dollars, you are going to type option 3, which is USD. Now, when you click send, they are going to ask you to put the user's wallet ID. So now that person's sponsor code is what you're going to type there. And that's all you need to send somebody wallet to wallet. So type the user's sponsor code on the space provided. And then they're going to ask you to enter the amount you're sending. So write the amount that you're sending. And then they are going to ask you finally to enter the reason. I mean, why are you sending the money? So put the reason why you're sending the money. And finally, they are going to ask you to enter the wallet PIN. Now, this PIN is the PIN they sent you in the email in the beginning when you are starting the process. So write that wallet PIN, which is valid for only 10 minutes. Write it in the next space and click send. Then money is going to be sent immediately from your wallet to the other user's wallet. So that's how you send wallet to wallet. So any person can receive money, either the account is active or not active. They can all receive wallet to wallet. Thank you for listening.